Hi everybody, this is Paul at Express POD, and this is a video showing you how to install the Express POD app. First thing you do is when you come into your Shopify store, what you want to do is click the link off the website or go to the Shopify website and find the app on there. If you just search for My Print Street, the app will come up. Then once you find it, if you click on install, then it's going to ask you if it can install the app. Click install. And when you come through, it's going to come up with this screen, and basically it'll ask you for the password to install it. What you need to make sure is the email that you used here is basically the same as the one that you used when you was logging into the portal. You've got to make sure you use the same one when you're logging in here. So you don't have an account, so if you click sign up for free, it'll ask you for your email address, and again make sure you use the same password as you did for the portal. Accept the terms, click sign up, and it'll ask you which you want to use, and you're going to be using Express POD. Click here, click select, and then it'll send you an email. You have to confirm the email, and then just click to the login page and you're all set to go. And then you just enter your details here and log in, and you've connected the app to the portal there, and now you'll be able to push all your products to the store. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.